Welcome to the Total Wealth Planning Client Portal video, where we'll provide a tour of the portal's ability for you to view your total portfolio, access a secure document vault, and other capabilities. To access the portal, you can either visit www.twpteam.com/portal or click the Client Portal link at the top of our company website. For your initial login, you'll use your email address and a temporary password we will provide to you upon request. When you first log in, it will start on the overview screen that displays all of your accounts. You can organize the information by either account, category, or asset class. Category is simply stocks and bonds. Total Wealth Planning manages your portfolio based on a structuring of asset classes. Next, you can change the view from all of your accounts to any specific managed or historical account. Lastly, you can view the value of any account or your total portfolio by changing the date and clicking refresh. Another feature is the ability for you to view the performance of any asset, account, or your total portfolio for any date range you choose. For example, we are now looking at a 3-year average return by asset category for the entire portfolio. You'll notice the domestic stock return over the last 3 years has been a little over 13% annually. You may expand this section to see all of the individual domestic stock funds that belong to this category. As a side note, anytime you see the little black triangle, you can click to expand and view greater detail. To change the date range, you can either input your own custom dates and click refresh, or use the drop-down to select a frequently used time period. Keep in mind that anytime you select a new time period, it will take a few moments to calculate and display performance. You may notice the load status in the bottom left corner. The Holdings tab is an overlap with what you have seen on the Overview tab. The last and most detailed tab is the Activity screen. This view enables you to see every transaction in your portfolio or in a particular account for any date range you choose. We are now looking at the past 3 years of activity for all accounts. You'll notice there is a beginning, an ending value, and 7 different buckets that your transactions may fall into. Every dividend or interest payment generated in your portfolio, every investment we've purchased, every holding we've sold, every deposit or contribution you've made, every distribution or withdrawal you've taken, and every dollar moved between your managed accounts. Lastly, the market value increase or decrease reflects the change in share price for the time period after all investment and financial planning fees. For example, we can find past Roth contributions by clicking on Mr. Winthorpe's Roth and expanding the internal account movement, and we find 4 Roth contributions in this time period. Before we move on, I'd like to point out the mountain value chart on the right side of the page. That will adjust based on the time period selected. Moving on to the Documents tab, where you can run reports for your investments, view past investment reports, and utilize a secure documents vault. There are a number of reports that are available. When you hover your mouse pointer over the title, it will give you a description of the report. To run a report, click one, then choose your options, then click Generate, and a file will either be downloaded or saved to your secure document vault. In this case, we've chosen to download the report. Now you can click on it to view, print, or save. Although there are no statements listed for the sample client, your portal will list all of the investment reports we've sent you since the first quarter of 2015. When you request access to the portal, we will populate your secure document vault with a number of important documents that we may already have on file. You are welcome to create additional folders and add any files you would like to store, such as passports, insurance policies, medication listings, or other important documents. We even welcome you to store family photos. Please keep in mind any document you upload will be visible to our office. The third and final tab, Updates, is an area that our team will use to share regular and relevant communications such as articles, videos, or commentary. In order to start using your personalized portal, please call or email our office and we will promptly provide you a username and temporary password. Once you receive these credentials, we encourage you to change your password on the upper right-hand corner. Also, we recommend adding two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication enhances the security of your account by sending a text message or email message anytime logging in from a new computer. Thank you for your time. We hope you are as excited about this new capability as we are. Should you have any questions, please call or email our office.